So with example 1, we're given the equation y equals 2x minus 3, and we're asked to find the x and y intercepts and graph the equation. So let's find the x-intercept first. The x-intercept is when y equals 0. So we know 2x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3 to both sides, 2x equals 3. Divide both sides by 2, x equals 3 halves. So the x-intercept is 3 halves 0, at least in coordinate form. The y-intercept is when x equals 0. So y equals 2 times 0 minus 3, which equals 0 minus 3, which equals negative 3. So the y-intercept is 0, negative 3. We're also asked to graph the equation. So in this instance, we sketch the x and y axes. Try to make an accurate scale. If you have graphing paper, obviously this is much simpler. And then really, I would suggest going ahead and plotting one more point, but you should be able to get away with graphing the 2 points that we already found, the x and y intercepts. We know that the x-intercept is 3 halves. Make my 3 halves 0 there. And we know the y-intercept is 0, negative 3. And let's go ahead and plot one more point. Let's go ahead and go with 4. So at 4, 2 times 4 minus 3 equals 8 minus 3, which is 5. So we know we have one more point with 4, 5. So let's go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have a point right about here. And then we simply connect the dots. And it's always prudent to make sure you provide a scale. In this case, it's 1 and 1 in both directions. Each tick mark represents 1. And that's how you graph, given that you're supposed to find the x and y intercepts. And go ahead and plot one more point just to make sure you found the correct intercepts, and then just connect the dots.